friends, today we are going to cook some enchiladas verdes. This is a very delicious and traditional dish in the middle of the country here in Mexico, and this is the ingredients we are going to use. Okay guys, these are the tacos dorados that we are going to make. Okay, now let's fry these tortillas. Okay, my friends, now we are going to get ready our plato de enchiladas verdes. We have here the sauce we already make, and it's warm still. We are just going to put the sauce over the enchiladas. Our enchiladas, Mexican style, are ready. As you can see, my flag colors in my plate. Enjoy it!